Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as you can see today we are still looking for a little bit of red since of course yesterday expectations and everything is working actually great so far. Where we are looking since the top at 3,500, we are looking of course at an impulse towards the downside formation of a wave A. In this case scenario, you see a wave B correction and you are in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a wave 5 toward the downside. And this is of course a wave C unfolding here in 5 waves impulsive, right? So basically what we have here is a 1, 2, 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5 for the wave 3 finished. Then you have a 1, 2 here and potentially therefore this is your wave 4 related to this wave 2. And not this one, because if you take this one, you see invalidation of an impulse, but actually right now you are still inside this impulse here. And that means your invalidation is exactly this point at this price. And if this wave 4 dive deeper and hit the zone 1 here, and therefore of course we get invalidation of this impulse. So basically, I'm still looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the wave 4. The wave 5 has to finish. And by the way, we hit almost very close to the 1.618 wave 3, so that is good. Basically, I'm looking to finish inside the blue box, definitely inside the blue box, which is, of course, your 1-to-1 fib level for wave C, meaning this wave 5 here, that it might unfold. It can be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting the 1-to-1 fib level at 3,150. And in this case scenario, you might even finish. You might be in another possible scenario, which is the blue. I was like looking, what is this blue? All right, so potentially you have in 1, 2. In case we see, of course, extended wave. Hitting the 1.27, by the way, breaking the 1-to-1 fib level. So you have to watch this price right here. In case we see continuation, you might be in an impulse toward the downside. And this impulse, of course, might be at least the minimum target, of course, to call it an impulse, is the 1.27. And this might, of course, create a big, huge impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave A, and then having a wave B later on and a C continuation toward the downside. And that because, of course, we are in a bearish market for the gold right now. We're looking for 3 waves corrective, which are potentially A, B, and a C, and of course, to seek after this fib levels, those fib levels, which are basically, let me check this one. Okay, here we go. Sorry, this one. Yeah, here are the fib levels that we are looking for. So basically, if we get an A, B, and a C here, it might be only 3 waves toward the downside. But if you get an impulse, it might be a big wave A, and then getting a wave B, and then getting a wave C again to hit at least the minimum target, which is, I'm going to show it to you on the weekly here, which is the minimum target at 0.23, 2,500. And that because, of course, the gold here might be in a scenario of a 1, 2, 3, finished, of course, impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And, of course, is extended wave 1. Wave 3 is short. And that means you might have a wave 4 and a short wave 5. Shorter than the wave 3, of course. And in this case scenario, you will finish a wave C. Or a wave 3 as well. It can be as an impulse toward the upside, and then of course moving 3 ways toward the downside in both case scenario again. But basically right now this is what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the 2,586 as a minimum target, unless we see some signal of strength again, like something impulsive. But so far, everything is working perfectly as per our analysis. Our first target is the 1-to-1 fib level. After this, we want, if we overshoot, we take the 1.27 and then potentially even the common target 1.618. That means 3000. If you have realized, it is a very psychological number, and it might move directly to it. Yeah, because right now is the FOMO. We top for the gold. We top for the gold. Everyone sell, 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 and it just dropped directly toward the 3000 as a psychological number, right? Because everyone, okay, I will enter at 3000 again, right? This is psychology as well, and then moving toward the upside, but it's gonna be a corrective wave for a wave B because everyone is still selling from the top here, right? And it's gonna make some pressure and unfolding, of course, a wave C toward the downside once everyone entering here realize that this is a corrective wave and it might not take the high again. Everyone will sell again, of course, for a wave C. Psychology of Elliott wave. All right, so that was it, guys, for the gold. Let's see and watch the price action. What's gonna give us as answers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.